So here we have this compact camping cookware set. Now it comes with 3 pots and 1 pan, and they all nicely stack inside of each other. The set also comes with this pretty nice mesh bag, so they're super easy to carry. The pots each have a lid, and they're all made from aluminum. And the pan does have a non-stick coating, but you should still use oil so it lasts longer. Now, they all have these folding handles coated in rubber, which makes it really easy to use without burning your hand. But the rubber is kind of loose, so it slides around, which isn't ideal. Anyway, the handles are actually welded to the pan instead of using the standard rivets, but they're still plenty strong. So these work great on a small camp stove because they heat up quickly and cool down quickly. Now, the set isn't the biggest, so you're not going to be able to cook a 5-course meal, but if you're making food for like 4 to 5 people, then these are great. And the compact design makes it really easy to toss them in a bag to take them camping. So if you're looking for a pretty good set of compact pots and a pan, then here you go.